Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean TV. You feel me? We back at it again with another video for y'all boys. You feel me? As y'all can see, we got the big Hellcat in the back. You feel me? We got the green lights on today. You feel me? Had to change it up. You feel me? Had the green lights on them because you feel me? We need to make more money. We need to make more green. You feel me? As y'all can see, it is wet outside. It's been raining. You feel me? So that means we're gonna be starting back, you feel me, the Slide in the Rain series, you feel me, because I ain't did it in a while. So, feel we got the big cat out, you know, looking better than ever. She is a little dirty, but you feel me, that's besides the point. Let me go ahead and get y'all boys a little walk around though while we at it. Feel we ain't did no more mod to it since the steering wheel. We is gonna be getting our banners and stuff that go on the little side window and the front windshield. But before we get into the video, y'all, make sure y'all get this video up to 100 likes. You feel me? That's the goal. That's the like goal for this video. Get a video up to 100 likes. Make sure y'all are subscribed because we got to hit 3K before the end of February. And make sure y'all hit the post notification bell. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the video.
And them fake on tip niggas make me sick. Boy, your ass a bitch. You run from me more than my bitch. I fucked her once, so we took a pic, and now she thinks she lit.
All right, y'all, so you feel me? We back up in the whip. As y'all can see, we got the interior lights also green, you feel me? We had to change up the view a little bit, you feel me? So we finna go ahead and get bended right here in this little spot. I ain't see no police around, so hopefully we good, y'all. I'm gonna circle around real quick to make sure they ain't camping out nowhere, you feel me? Whoa, hold on, y'all. This bitch don't like to spin in the rain. Hold on. Oh, there go police right there. Oh shit! Oh shit! Out of here. Y'all see that police right there? Dang, bro, they messing up my video. They were finna call the folks on me, bro. Alright, y'all, we had to get up out of there because the police was, you feel me? As soon as I finna start, they came out. I ain't know the police even be over there. You feel me? But we got a little spin in right there, you feel me, just to get us started. And boom, there go a sheriff. These boys are out today. Y'all, I'm scared. I ain't gonna even bout. I might get booked making this video. There's no way there is this many police out, y'all. All right, light finally turned green. Come on now. We can't be waiting on lights all day, y'all. We gonna make this little, we gonna bust this little left though. Gotta make sure ain't no cars coming up. We also gonna put my lights on white for, you know what? We gonna make a right. But the cat ain't trying to slide right. It's hard trying to find good roads to slide on, y'all. Cause some of these roads be too, you feel me, beat up. Man, look at that pit. That nigga just ran away from home. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all, damn, this a dead end. I should've connected it. I should've kept going down the whole street. That would have been hard. No cap. I just didn't want to do it, y'all, because I never been on this road. I ain't know what was in front of me. What was that? Somebody blew their horn at me? Hey, y'all, I'm gonna need y'all to say a little prayer for your boy. We gotta make sure that we don't get booked. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and try to slide. Well, let me go through here, y'all. But my ears is ringing right now because of me shooting my gun last night. Sound like I got hit with a concussion. I ain't like the police pulled me over and I'm sliding a turn, y'all. I'm gonna tell them. I had a nail in my tire, and I think that stuff that they put it in to see if it got bubbles, I think they're making my car slide. What y'all think? Y'all think they're gonna work? Y'all think that's a valid excuse? Hell no, they still gonna lock my ass up. Let me see what I can do. I want to can this slide up the hill. I'm weak. This bitch do not want to slide right, y'all. I'm gonna go up here. I hope my car ain't too loud. Yeah, sliding is like very easy. Really, it's just the wheel automatically really be coming back on its own. Hey, my boy truck messed up. We gotta go slow with that little hump though. Damn, my joint's still scraping. That's not fair. My car should not be scraping like this. Y'all hear that popcorn though? Let's see what we're gonna do now. Guess we'll make a little right. Woohoo! Y'all look at that. Look at that truck. That bitch got a Cadillac front end on there. My boy got a Silverado CTSV. I'm weak. It kind of hard though. What y'all think? Y'all mess with that concoction my boy whipped up? Let's see what we gonna do now. You feel we gonna make it right. I know another little spot. We just trying to make sure ain't no police coming. We gonna avoid that big ass hump right there. For sure ski. For sure ski. Big mama, calm down. Big mama be going crazy, y'all. Big mama do not like doing donuts in the rain though. Or do I be doing something wrong? Let me try. I'm gonna try right here. Big mama, you doing your big one now? I guess y'all if I do donuts, I guess I need to start out with like a little, you feel me, a little burnout ski. Cause Big mama do not like to, if I just smash the gas, she would not like want to slide. Like, in the rain, y'all, I think y'all do have to, like, start y'all burnouts and stuff with start y'all donuts, like, with a burnout. Let me know if I'm wrong, though. I'm pretty sure I'm right, though. I'm gonna do a couple more slides, y'all, because I don't want the folks on my trail, y'all. I might do another little donut again. You feel me? I'm probably gonna go back to this little spot that I was just at. You feel me? And do it one more time before them state boys pull up on us. And y'all better not say, you're not in your lane, nigga. I ain't trying to be in my lane, nigga. Do not get in my comments telling me, you don't know how to slide, you're not in your lane. Nigga, I ain't trying to be in my lane right now, nigga. I'm just sliding, having fun, pushing out content. Now what we're going to do is we're going to wait for a second. You feel me? It's called a 5-second rule. If you don't see no police within 5 seconds, you good. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, forget it. Oh, wait, hold on. I forgot. I got to start out with a burnout. I ain't gonna lie, this bitch be sliding so weird, y'all. It's like, it be wanting to, I don't know, it be seeming like it don't be wanting to spin for some reason. It's funny though. Like it wasn't even trying to spin until I was trying to exit. When I was exiting, that's when it started acting like it wanted to slide. But y'all, like I said, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, because you feel me, I don't want the police getting on me. And you know, running from the police in the rain in a Hellcat is not something that I would want to engage in, you feel me? So we gonna wrap it up like that, you feel me? So if y'all don't mind, please get the video up to 100 likes. That should be very simple for y'all. Y'all can make that happen for you, boy. Get the video up to 100 likes. Also, we need to be trying to get 3,000 subs by the end of February. Y'all do know we got a 5,000. I mean, when we hit 5,000 subs, we will be doing some type of giveaway for y'all, boy. You feel me? I got to give back. You feel me? Make sure y'all hit the post notification bell so y'all tune in whenever I drop more bangers. And until next time, y'all, I'm out. Peace.